Mental health starts with small steps like asking, sharing, and checking in. So, as a part of Zuno's Say Hi initiative, I'm doing this AMA and helping you beat your concerns. So, number one, have to reach out a struggling friend without being pushy. Reach with presence and not pressure. When someone is struggling silently, the best thing that you can do is drop a text to them, letting them know that, hey, I'm thinking about you. No pressure to reply, but just want you to know that I am right here. Can actually ease another person and open space for some support and conversation. So the key is to show up without demanding emotional labor from them. Number two, how do you comfort someone who's lost a loved one? Grief does not need solution, and you don't have to rush to fix somebody. Rather, let them lead. Some like to talk while some just need some silent company. So let them know you're there to share the load. So avoid cliches. Show presence over platitudes. Support through small gestures like sending them meals, constant check-in messages, or helping them through their errands. It says more than a speech. Then number three, how do you manage overthinking and anxiety? Overthinking is just your mind trying to feel safe by rehearsing control, but it ends up draining you instead. To manage it, become more aware, catch your spiral early, understand what's going on, label that emotion and ask yourself, is this really trying to tell me something or is it just noise? Anchor yourself in the present moment through some breath work, journaling, movement. In fact, another thing that you can try is setting worry time, which means set aside 15 minutes, put a timer on it, and start writing and noting about things that has been gnawing at you and ask yourself, what can I do about it? Anxiety shrinks when you stop feeding it. How to deal with FOMO and low confidence. Confidence and FOMO go hand in hand. They usually have the same root cause. That is not feeling good enough. The truth is, constantly trying to prove yourself can actually drain you. So ask yourself, whom am I performing for and why? And start building confidence by creating small wins throughout your day. Then number five, how do I manage expectations in relationships? First of all, having expectations is what truly makes you human. So don't shy away from having expectations, but rather you can manage your expectations by owning them. So ask yourself, are these my needs or are these just my assumptions? Also communicate clearly. Don't expect your partner to read your mind. Understand that no one can meet all your emotional needs, but of course you can manage your expectations more consciously. One word, one moment, and one check-in. Communication and connection is the key to better mental health. So sometimes a simple hi is all it takes for someone to know that they are not alone in this, to show them your support and love. Because with Zuno General Insurance, support and promise go hand in hand.